Hey guys, here we are again. Today I'd like to recommend you an ultrasonic air humidifier with bigger water tank capacity. As you know, if the air in your room is too dry, a cool mist humidifier will be a great option, and it can add the most needed moisture to your room, to your indoor air without raising the temperature. Therefore, you can enjoy fresh, cool, and clean air. A home with good humidity level is beneficial for kids and adults. Okay, this one is with 3 liters water tank capacity, so it's a very perfect fit to the bigger spaces, and it's round and elegant design. You can place it in any room you want, just like, such as the dining room, the living room, or the kitchen. Okay, let's show it how it works. Firstly, is clockwise to operation to open it, and you can see the structure inside. It's very easy to clean. When we first use it, we need to make sure the cotton swab were soaked in the water for a few minutes. It's 2 nozzle spray, so it has 2 cotton cores. And be careful, there is a spring inside the tube, don't lose it. Firstly, we make the cotton swab in the water tank to make sure it's fully wet. And then we pour some water in the tank. This air humidifier is without built-in battery, so we need to collect the USB cable. It's a micro USB interface here at the bottom. 2 buttons here. One is for night, another one is for mist. Okay, let's try it. When we first press this button, the 7 color changing night light turns on. And you can see it changes. And when we press again, it closes. This one is for the cool mist. It supports 2 nozzle spray and auto nozzle spray. It will change from left side to right side. Also the single nozzle spray as well. 3 spray modes supports. And there is a strong point of this humidifier is it is with a hygrometer. You can see the digit on the display. It shows the humidity level at the room. It will change according to the environment and humidity surrounding this area. Now it's 64. Generally, the ideal humidity level is about 30 to 50%. So you can turn this model off when it reaches to this phase.